Let us see a few basic examples for saving and restoring sessions. You can use the mksession command followed by a file name to save the current Vim session. By default, details like cursor position, file list, layout, and so on are saved. You can customize which things are saved by using the session options settings. So for example, if you want to include resized window information as well, you can use set followed by session options plus equal to resize. Let us see an example of saving the session. I'll use mksession followed by file name. I'm going to use sample.vim. Currently, the cursor is on the 5th line. Let us quit this session. Let's open Vim again. You can use the source command followed by the file name. So we use sample.vim. So now we can restore the session which we had saved earlier. And you can see it opens the last cursor position. So 5th line and 42nd position. If you want to overwrite, then you can add an exclamation mark. So for example, let us change a few things. Currently, only this file is open, sessions.md. Let me open another file and let's go back and perhaps let us split. So now let us update our session and let us quit. I can either open Vim again and source the session, or I can directly use the uppercase S option and provide the file name. So you can see all the windows which were open are restored exactly like you left. And you can also see there are tabs. So let us quit the extra windows. We have already seen how to use the source command, and we also saw how to open a session from the command line itself. For more details about sessions and various features, you can go through these help topics. 21.4 views-sessions and session options.